Okay, this problem is slightly different. The area of a square is given. Now you are asked to find the length of each side. Okay. Now you know that if you are given a square, right, and one side is 5, uh, each side is 5, right? So an area of this square right here, right, the area of this square, you know that is, what is it, that 5 times 5. So if each side is 5 centimeter, the answer would be 5 times 5, 25 centimeter, right? That would be the area of this square, right? So if you look at the reverse problem, if you're given the area of a square and the area is 25 centimeter square, right? 25 centimeter square, you immediately know that the one side of this square is 5 centimeter. Why? Because that would be root of 25, right? Root of 25 would be 5 centimeter. Sorry, this would be 5 centimeter, not meter. 5 centimeter. Now let's take a look at this problem now. Okay. Now if you take a look at our rules, right? We know that for the trinomial a square plus 2ab plus b square, the factors would be a plus b times a plus b, right? Or a plus b whole square, right? So if this is the area, or see, if this is the area of a square, right, you know that one side would be a plus b, right? So what we can do is that we can see if this trinomial is of the form this. If this trinomial is of the form this, we know that this has a solution of this, correct? So when you have a solution in this form, which is a plus b whole square, you know that a plus b would be the length of one side. So let's use that logic and try to see if we can find the solution. Or let's use that thought process and let's see if we can find the solution. So 4m square can be written as 2m to the power 2, right? And 25 can be written as 5 square. So here, in fact, if you compare with this equation, right? If you compare this with this equation here, what is a here? A here is this is a, right? Because that's 2m square looks like a square, correct? So 2m is really a in this equation. So that's 2m is a, right? Okay, and this is b, 5 is b, right? So let's see if we can write this term similar to this. Okay, let's try that. 2a is 2m and b is 5. So 2 times 2m times 5 is 4 times 5 is 20, that's 20m, correct? 20m is the same as 20m here. So this equation can be written as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Let's do that now. So that would be 2m square plus 2 times, well, we have already done that, 2 times 2m times 5 plus 5 square. So the solution would be, what would be the solution? For the trinomial a square plus 2ab plus b square, the factors are a plus b times a plus b and a plus b, right? So a plus b whole square. So here, what you say is 2m, b is 5. So this is the answer. So if you take a look at the question again, what we need to find here is the area, what is given is the area of the square, right? So what we need to find is the length of each side. So if you look at this answer we got, right? We got 2m plus 5 whole square. So one side of the square would be what? 2m plus 5, right? So the answer would be 2m plus 5. That would be the length of each side.